Hello everyone, it's Amanda here with a quick video, and please do not click off of this video because I want to share something with you that I have never shared before since I've been using the Power Lead system. And it's something that is extremely powerful, and not only that, will allow people to start earning online by literally paying hardly anything, okay? And I learned of the strategy. I heard of it quite some years ago, but never took action and actually started using it. And I said, you know what, I want to give it a try and see if it works. And if it does, I'll run with it and I'll tell other people about it. And that's what I'm doing. So if you just bear with me, I want to show you something that's a little bit different than anything I've ever really experienced using the Power Lead system. If you don't know what the Power Lead system is, guys, it's just uh, a platform where you can get unlimited capture pages. You can make funnels with it. Not only that, you can get paid commissions at different levels, depending on what level you come in at. Not only that, they have something called the free lead system, which allows people to try this out for free. But not only that, they also have the lead lightning, which will allow people to come in by just paying $7 one time, okay? And it allows you to get unlimited $6 commissions. So right now, my balance is $1,657.82. I can go ahead and pull that out of the system into my bank account. We get paid every single week on Wednesdays. I've been with this program for over a couple of years, and the payments have been on time and very consistent since I've started using the Power Lead system, okay? So what I want to show you really quick is under my commissions, okay? This is just crazy. I never really cared for the lead lightning, the $6 commissions, because I always thought, well, you know, that's really too low to earn a full-time income. And a lot of people, they're not going to pay $6, or they're not going to upgrade, you know, and that's not true. I thought it was, but it's not. By just giving away the free lead system, you can actually start earning unlimited $6 commissions, upgrades to the gold level, which is residual $20 commissions. At the diamond level, unlimited commissions of $100, platinum unlimited commissions of $400 just by paying out one time. Guys, these are all one-time fees except for the gold is a monthly fee. But everything else, lead lightning, one-time fee, diamond level one time, platinum, MTI, all one-time payments, okay? And you're gonna see by clicking on the description, in the description below has the link so you actually see how it works. But guys, this is something that I tried. I gave it a test run, and I just want to show you guys my results, okay? So what I did was I said, you know what? I want to try to run some traffic to the free lead system and see what happens. And I went ahead and did it this week, the week of August 4th to August 10th. And I was impressed. I had 30 people come in, and I made $30 using the free lead system. Now, guys, I know it's not a lot, but the great thing about it is that by just giving people the free lead system, people upgraded and came in at the lead lightning level, which allows you to collect unlimited $6 commissions. And for people who are on my team, I'm going to show you how to do that using free traffic so you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so that's pretty amazing. I had $270, which is a residual at the gold level. $50 come in, which means somebody paid half on the diamond level. And then I had a person come in at the platinum level, which gave me a $200 commission. So I made a total of $550, and that's just for 1 week. Now, the thing that was extremely exciting, which I know is not a lot, but it was the $30 for the lead lightning, because that was just with free traffic. And then it also gave me upgrades to the gold level, which was $270 for the week. And I think that's pretty amazing, using, of course, free traffic, okay? That you don't have to sit online and do it all day and blah, 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 blah. It's quick, straight to the point, okay? So what I'm gonna do is give out that free lead system. People will have the opportunity to upgrade to the lead lightning. Once you upgrade to the lead lightning, you can send me a message on Facebook, through email, and request how to get the free traffic, okay? And I will go ahead and send it over to you so that you can start generating these unlimited $6 commissions. So now, just going into this week, I'm at $106 for the week, and I already had another lead lightning come in, which is a $6 commission. These are exciting, guys. $100 at the gold level, and we still have a few days left for the week. So I hope that this inspired people. Again, free lead system is free. Upgrade, one-time payment of $7. Unlimited $6 commissions, free traffic to get them over and over again, and also receive upgrades to the gold level. Guys, it's a win-win situation, okay? So again, the information will be in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to follow my online journey, and hit the notification bell. You'll receive all of the videos that I put out. And I'm looking to inspire people to start a home-based business like I did back in 2016, started earning full-time from working from home, and showing others how to do the same. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Thanks for even clicking on a video to see what's going on. I really appreciate it, and I feel extremely humbled by it. And I will see you guys another day. So have a great week.